The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf.
So our general strategy will be to minimize dilution to absolute minimum, to decrease number of shares, and to increase the returns for all our shareholders by introducing later dividend policy once it will be approved by all authorities.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Kirill Klipp, Executive Chairman of TNR Gold. Kirill, very good to speak with you, and a good start to 2026 for TNR Gold. So your share price surged 240% last year. This year it's already hit 18.5 cents at its best. So your strategy clearly working.
Yeah, thank you, Steven, for having us today. Definitely, our plan is working, our shareholders like it, and our strategy is bearing its first fruits. Like you mentioned, our share price surged 240% last year. TNR Gold team delivered on all its promises, and yesterday we even hit 19 cents. So we started this year on a very strong note. And Fundamental Research issued a new report on TNR Gold, reiterating it by rating and increasing our share price from 30 cents to 35 cents of estimated fair value. So we have a new milestone to hit.
Kirill, what are the next catalysts for the company that will get you to that milestone?
Yes, Steven, this is exactly the most important question for all our shareholders. Because, there could be a lot of plans for a lot of companies, but our plan is better and our shareholders clearly like it. So basically, next step will be we expecting to receive our first royalty payments from Ganfeng Lithium on Mariana Lithium project in Argentina. And we would like to start buying back our shares like we announced in our corporate update in December. So our general strategy will be to minimize dilution to absolute minimum, to decrease number of shares, and to increase the returns for all our shareholders by introducing later dividend policy once it will be approved by all authorities.
Maybe just honing in on Mariana Lithium, there's been a 60% resource increase. Take us through that.
Yes, this giant project is growing even bigger in Argentina. And as you know, excitement is coming back with all those humanoid robots dancing in China and with Elon Musk. And lithium hit recently 81,500 yuan per ton of LSE in China. And now Ganfeng announced during a conference call with Lithium Argentina that Mariana Lithium resource is increased now by 60% from 8 million tons to 13 million tons of lithium carbonate equivalent. And the pumping rate is going very smoothly, so they're increasing production to the number plate of stage 1, 20,000 tons of lithium chloride annual production. And they're already talking about stage number 2 and number 3, and they will submit the application for the large investment incentive program in Argentina next month.
Well, while gold and silver have been in the news for their new records, copper's also hits a new record. And you have the Los Azules copper project in Argentina also, which can grow even bigger.
Yeah, this is exactly right. Just recently, I watched with excitement Rob McEwen video, and he is talking now that Los Azules economic improved dramatically, with copper hitting over 13,000 dollars per ton in London. So basically, Los Azules is already the giant copper project in Argentina, and now it can grow even bigger. Rob McEwen is drilling it. We're expecting the drill results coming soon. There are 4 new drill targets. The deposit is open at depth and to the north, and there is a new porphyry system. And already a feasibility study released in this last October estimated that project will be producing for the first 5 years over 200,000 tons of LBMA copper plate, and later producing 148,000 tons over 21 years of mine. So it's a really giant project. And by the way, royalty estimated on this project could be as high as $8 million once the project will be in operation annually. And here I have to mention that now with rising lithium prices, our lithium royalty from Mariana Lithium could be as high as $1.6 million per annum, estimated by Fundamental Research Corp.
Well, I mentioned gold, and of course we have it above $5,000 an ounce. Nova Gold secured an energy supply for the new gold mining camp in Alaska, and that's in the same gold belt as Shotgun Gold. So a positive development.
Yes, Stephen, we are talking here about famous Tintina Gold Belt in Alaska. And during this recent geopolitical tensions, which propelled gold to over $5,000 already, even Alaska becomes a hot mining destination. And Nova Gold is building now what I will not be afraid to call the new giant mining gold camp on US soil. And very important development was announced last month that Nova Gold secured potential energy supply with a gas pipeline being built in the future to the mine site. So now we can talk about Shotgun Gold becoming potentially a satellite gold deposit to giant Donlin Gold mine in the making. As you know, we already found gold in Alaska as well. Our estimated inferred resource is just over 700,000 ounces of gold. And now we are looking for strategic partner to advance this great project on the American soil. And here it's very important to stress one more time for all our shareholders. We are minimizing dilution to the absolute minimum. So we will not be investing our cash flow from royalty streams into this project. We are looking for a strong strategic partner who will come in with their capital, will be earning in stake in our joint venture project, and later we would like to spin out our company. We already even have a name for it, Ameri Gold, and for the benefit of all shareholders, all our shareholders will receive shares in this new gold exploration company in Alaska.
Sounds like positive developments on all fronts for TNR this year, Kirill. Thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you very much, Stephen, for having us today.
The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf. It is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, an offer, or a solicitation to buy or sell any securities. Viewers should conduct their own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. The views expressed are those of the speaker and do not necessarily reflect those of Proactive Group Holdings, trading as Proactive Investors or its affiliates. No responsibility is accepted for any loss arising from reliance on the information presented.